How would you like to earn $4.45 over and over again by doing micro tasks under micro time? Today, we're going to be showing you a method that's very simple and that's available worldwide. Plus, it's going to be absolutely free to do. You won't need to make any investments or cash advancements or pay anything to join. It's free for all, so no excuses. Just simply do it to find out that you can actually earn some pretty good money even through our method for today. You know that I only serve you the best content because I want you guys to make real money from the methods that I show you, and that is why this opportunity is yet another great one that you can earn money from unlimitedly. You can do this not once, not twice, but a million more times over until you simply just give up, which hopefully you won't, so you can just continuously earn. Now, obviously, this method won't make you a millionaire, but if you are a beginner looking to earn still some good money on the side, this is perfect. In fact, it is beginner friendly, so it's meant for those who are just starting out as well. So, what are you waiting for? As always, I'm going to be walking you through the whole process for today's video step by step so that you won't get lost and so that you can do everything according to the way that we do it and earn the same money that I am. Make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. To start the process, for today, we want you to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in hivemicro.com and hit enter on that. And then that should take you to this website right here. As you can see, simple tasks, real money. Make extra money through small jobs you can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device. You can even do this method on your phone and it can be downloaded on any iOS or Android device, which makes it everything so much better because you can take your work with you anywhere. If you're going out for lunch or if you want to travel, you can still keep on earning, which is beyond great. All it takes is 4 easy steps. Number 1, sign up. Register directly or with your Facebook profile. Number 2, apply for jobs. Jobs are diverse and readily available. Number 3, complete tasks. Work on tasks in the jobs that you've unlocked. And number 4, get paid. Weekly payment via PayPal or Bitcoin. Now, those are the 4 easy steps to how this website works. It's literally not complicated in any way, shape, or form, so you have no reason not to try out today's method. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. Some sample tasks would be to draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, or even track the same object across frames in a video. That's literally how simple the tasks would be. Who gives the tasks? A variety of teams from small startups, universities, and larger companies come to us to solve big problems like banning hate speech, making videos searchable, or building autonomous vehicles. There are also many types of jobs on this site like categorizations, organize your media with discrete categories, bounding boxes, identify items of interest with one or many bounding boxes, audio transcription, listen to an audio snippet and write down what is said, and even semantic segmentation. Classify each pixel of an image. There are over 1.5 million users already, over 200 countries, and over $2 million earned. If you scroll down, you'll see testimonials from people from all over the world, which reassures you that this app is as true as they say they are, and people are really earning from here, and you can too. If you scroll lower, you will find some facts. So if you have any questions like will you get paid, or how will you get paid, or if you're qualified, all of those questions are answered at the bottom part of this website. You just need to visit Hive Micro and read them for yourself. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up too before the video ends later on, so that I'll know that you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So to sign up, just click on this button below, and then it'll redirect you to this page right here, wherein you're going to provide your full name, email address, password twice, country, and as you can see, we're pretty sure that this website caters to countries from A to Z. So don't even worry about that. Then language, and you can choose a lot. And if they ask how you find us or how you found us, you can just choose YouTube or other, whatever you want. Then you must agree to the terms and conditions, and you must be over 18. So if you are, then check the box too. Then confirm you aren't a robot, and once it's all completed correctly, then you can hit submit. Once you submit, there are a few things you must comply with, like your signature, demographic info, and more. Then you're going to have to verify your email address, and that email should look just like this. And just click verify email, and that will lead you straight into your account, and this is what your dashboard would look like. As you can see, there are beginner jobs, feature jobs, new jobs, and a whole lot more. And what's great about this is that there's a ton every single day. The way this works is that you take a qualification test before any task, and if you qualify, then you can take the task and earn how much the task is equivalent to. So, as an example, how about let's try this one that pays out $40 to transcribe. And if you click on it, this should pop up, and then click on start test, and then you are to take the qualifier test, and then once you pass that, boom, that's $40 in less than an hour, which is absolutely insane. You can do this more than once. You can do this 20 times a day if you have that much time and if you want to go that crazy. But if you only have a little time, then there's also tasks for that, which is just absolutely mind-blowing. So make sure that you try this method out. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video, because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love, and hit the bell button so that you'll